Hey YouTube, how's it going? JT Outdoors and more. Hope y'all are having a wonderful night. Tonight's topic of discussion is field hygiene. Now, for the most part, it's pretty much ignored. Nobody really thinks about it. But it's very, very important. Hygiene out in the field, it can prevent infections, it can prevent all kinds of illnesses, and it could just plain outright boost morale. Now, if you're in a bug out situation or your own personal SHTF, you find yourself homeless, whatever, you're in a bad way, yeah, a bath and a good shave, it can boost your morale. But you never see these kits in anybody's rucksack. So, let me show you what I carry in mine. I have a towel and a washcloth. I have one of these. Carry deodorant, couple razors, nail clippers, a little shaving mirror that I found at a Goodwill store, a bar of soap, and some body wash, which also doubles as shampoo and shaving cream. And I keep it in this cool little camo shower bag, which I don't remember where I got this. I think I got it at Walmart, but I could be wrong on that one, so don't quote me on that one, guys. But just when you're packing your bag, just try to keep that in mind. So, JT Outdoors and more. Hey, until the next video, see you later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get all my videos. Don't forget to like me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And hey, have a wonderful night. See ya.